Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford F-150. Stock number is A6745. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires, running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Center console folded up is a third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. Swinging around to the back end now, you have rear backup sensors, a factory trailer hitch, and a camera. Ford bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, power adjustable seats, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls are here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your 4-wheel drive is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.